Hello and welcome to IGCSE Mathematics 0580 extended course, syllabus topic E1 number, module 1.6, which is about inequalities, and we are doing part 3 in which we're going to solve exercise 15 of chapter number 5. And for your reference, as we're going to solve question number 25 to 40 of exercise 15 of chapter number 5, the page number is 192 of this book. Right, so in question number 25 to 40, he's asked us to solve the following inequalities. So in particular in question number 25, where we are given an inequality x minus 3, 10. We will deal with inequality almost like the equal sign, but not exactly, but almost like an equal sign. So of course, to solve the inequality, we have to write in terms of x. So it means that we have to move this minus 3 onto the right side. So it will be x greater than, by moving minus 3 onto the right side, same like is in equal sign, it will be plus. So 10 plus 3. So it means it will be x greater than 13. It means that x has got all the values which are not equal to 13 but greater than 13. In question number 27, it says 5 greater than x minus 7. So guys, there are few ways you can solve this inequality, but I will recommend you to use this method, which is the method number 1. That is, keep your x with the plus sign. So if, let's suppose, if it is negative, move the other way, other side, could be right or left, to make the x positive, because x here on the right side is always already positive, so better leave it there and move that minus 7 onto the left side. Because it is minus 7, by moving it to the left side it will be plus 7. So, and the inequality will remain as it is, greater than x. So 5 plus 7 is 12, so it is 5 greater than x. Better write x on the left side, so you can write it as x is less than 12. There is no difference to it because the mouth is toward 12, mouth is toward 12 here, and the pointed part towards x and the pointed part towards x, so still stand the same, meaning x is less than 12. Or another method, you could use it like, move this x onto the left side, right? So by moving x onto the left side, it will be 5 is already there. By moving left side, the x will be minus x, and it is greater than minus 7, right? Now move that 5 onto the right side, because we have to make x alone. So minus x greater than minus 7 minus 5, and here we have minus x greater than minus 7 minus 5 makes minus 12. Now because the answer should be in the plus x, we have to multiply minus on the both sides, right? So minus minus will be positive here, and as we know that if you multiply minus with the inequality inverts, because it is greater than, it will be less than, and minus minus once again positive, so it is positive 12. So it has the same answer as this one. So depending on your approach, you can opt any of the method. In question number 31, it says 5x less than x plus 1. So once again, the strategy is same like in algebraic equation. Take the x's on one side. So better take this x onto the left side. So 5x is already there, and because it is plus x here, by moving on to the left side it will be minus x. Inequality stay like this, and 1 is already there. Plus 1, we don't write plus if it is on the extreme left. Now 5x minus x makes 4x less than 1, because we have to make x alone and 4 is multiplying here. When we move 4 onto the right side, it will be divided, so x less than 1 over 4. So this is the answer. In question number 34, it says 3x plus 1 less than 2x plus 5. So we will use the same strategy. Take the x's on one side and constant on at other side. So move 2x onto the left side and move this plus 1 onto the right side. So 3x is already there. When we bring 2x onto the left side, it will be minus 2x, and inequality stay like this. 5 is already there, and plus 1 once moved to the right, it will be minus 1. 3x minus 2x will be x less than 5 minus 1 will be 4. So the answer is x less than 4. In question number 36, it says 7 less than 15 minus x. So as we have already discussed, better make the x plus. So because it is minus x, so we have to move this minus x onto the left side so that it can be plus. So 7 is already there, so minus x once moved to the left, it will be plus x less than 15. And now we have to move this plus 7 onto the right side, so x will stay here less than 15. Because it is plus here, it will be minus 7, and x less than 15 minus 7 is 8. Or alternately, what you can do, keep minus x here and move this 15 onto the left side. It will be 7 minus 15 less than minus x. 7 minus 15 is minus 8 less than minus x. Now because we have to make x plus, so you have to multiply both sides with the minus. Minus minus will be plus 8, and we know that when inequality multiply with the minus sign, it inverts. So it is less than, so it will be other way around, greater than, and minus minus will make plus x. So better write it in, make the x on the left side, so it will be x less than 8. So you have the same answer anyway, so you can take any of the method. In question number 38, it says 4 minus 2x less than equal to 2. So as we know that better first in the first step, make the x plus if it is minus. Because it is minus, so better take it onto the right side. So it will be 4 less than equals to 2 plus 2x. Right now, because we have to make x alone, so move that plus 2 onto the right side, so it will be 4 minus 2 less than equals to 2x. 4 minus 2 is 2, so it will be 2 less than equals to 2x. And because 2 is multiplying here, once we move 2 onto the left side, it will be divided. So 2 divided by 2 less than equals to x, and 1 less than equals to x, or we can write it as x greater than equals to 1. Alternately, what you can do, keep that minus 2x here and move this 4 onto the right side. So it will be minus 2x less than equals to 2 minus 4, and it is minus 2x less than equals to 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Because you have to move that 2 onto the other side, it will be minus x less than equals to minus 2 over 2, and it will be minus x less than equals to minus 2. 2 will cancel out, so it will be minus 1. Because we have to write answer in the plus axis, you have to multiply both sides with the minus sign. So minus minus will be plus, because once you multiply minus with the inequality, it will invert, so it will be greater than equals to, and minus minus once again is plus. So any of the method, answer will be same. In question number 39, it says 3 into x minus 1 less than 2 into 1 minus x. So same like algebra, first you have to multiply 3 inside and 2 inside here. So it will be 3x minus 3 ones are 3. Inequality stay like this, 2 ones are 2 minus 2x, right? So in the same way, we have to take x is on the one side, so take this minus 2x onto the left side and bring that minus 3 onto the right side. So it will be 3x plus 2x. Inequality stay like this, and 2 minus 3 once moved to the right, it will be plus 3. 3x plus 2x will be 5x less than 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5, because it is multiplied here, it will be divided once bring on to the right. So x divided less than 5 divided by 5, and 5 and 5 will cancel out, so it will be x less than 1. In the last question, which is question number 40 of this exercise 15, it says 7 minus 3x less than 0. So as we know, better make the x's plus, so we have to move this minus 3x onto the right side, so it can be positive there. So it is 7 less than 0 plus 3x. 0 plus 3x will be 3x, because 0 has no value. So 7 less than 3x, and because we have to make x alone, bring 3 onto the left side, so it will be divided here, 7 divided by 3, and the answer is x greater than 7 over 3, or you can write x greater than 2 whole number 1 over 3. So in the same way, if you're not comfortable moving minus 3x onto the right side, keep it here and bring 7 onto the right side. So it will be minus 3x less than 0 minus 7 is minus 7, and just divide 3 onto the right. So it will be minus x less than minus 7 over 3. Because minus x, we cannot leave the answer in the minus, so we had to multiply with the minus sign on the both side. So it will be minus x into minus plus x. As we know, if you multiply negative sign with inequality, it would invert, so it will be greater than, and minus minus is once again plus, it is 7 over 3, or you can write in the 2 whole number 1 over 3 form. So in either way you have the same answer, right? So this is the end of chapter number exercise 15 of chapter number 5. In the next video we're going to solve exercise 16. So see you there.